Every day, the sun shoots invisible arrows at your skin. You might think stepping outside for just a few minutes won't hurt, but those ultraviolet rays sneak in through windows, reflect off buildings, and creep under clouds. They quietly awaken dark spots, uneven patches, and pigmentation you can't see forming until it's too late. Your skin is waging a silent war you don't even notice. And the scariest part, these dark spots are like unwelcome shadows that grow stronger over time if you ignore them. So today, we're not just talking beauty, we're talking defense. You're about to discover 10 natural, effective ways to lighten those pesky spots, ride out this silent war, and reclaim your glow without harsh chemicals or empty promises. Let's go. Number 1, lemon juice and honey, nature's gentle lightener. Lemon juice is packed with vitamin C and citric acid, both known to help reduce pigmentation. Honey adds moisture and softness, so the mix doesn't dry your skin out. How you do it? Mix half a teaspoon of fresh lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of honey, apply to dark spots for 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week at night, never before sun exposure. Always patch test first behind your ear. Warning, if you feel burning or see redness, rinse immediately and skip for a few days. Number 2, aloe vera gel, the soothing healer. Aloe vera is like the skin's first aid kit. It contains aloe and antioxidants that may help lighten pigmentation over time. How you do it? Slice open a fresh aloe leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply directly to dark spots before sleeping. Leave it on overnight, then wash in the morning. Repeat nightly for best results. Why it works? It soothes irritation and supports skin repair. Even if the brightening is slow, your skin feels calmer and healthier. Number 3, potato slices. Old trick, new power. A simple, fun remedy potatoes contain the enzyme catecholase, which is believed to help lighten skin. How you do it? Cut thin potato slices and press them gently on your dark spots for 15 minutes. Do this every evening, then wash your face. Don't expect instant magic, but over weeks, many find their spots softer and less contrasty. Number 4, turmeric and yogurt paste, the golden fix. Turmeric has curcumin, which shows promise in reducing pigmentation. Yogurt adds lactic acid to gently exfoliate. How you do it? Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt into a paste. Apply to dark spots and leave for 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Do this once or twice per week. Caution, turmeric can stain light clothing, and if you leave it too long, your skin might get a slight yellow cast, but washing usually clears it. Number 5, apple cider vinegar toner, diluted power. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which may help lighten pigmentation when used cautiously, but it's very strong, so dilution is key. How you do it? Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water. Apply with cotton to the dark spots at night. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. Use this 2 to 3 times a week, max. Always dilute. If you feel burning, wash off immediately. Over time, the tone of spots may even out. Number 6, green tea bags chill and treat. Green tea is full of polyphenols, which can help fight oxidative stress and pigmentation. How you do it? Brew green tea, chill the used tea bags in the fridge, then press them on your dark spots for 10 minutes. Do this a few times per week. Bonus, it feels refreshing and helps calm sun-exposed skin too. Number 7, papaya mask, the enzymatic brightener. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that helps exfoliate dead cells and gradually lighten dark patches. How you do it? Mash ripe papaya into a paste. Apply it over your face, targeting the spots. Leave for about 20 minutes. Then wash. Use this once or twice weekly. Pro tip, don't mix with strong acids or leave too long. Gentle is better. Number 8, sandalwood and rose water, the classic blend. Sandalwood is traditionally used as a skin brightener, while rose water is soothing and hydrating. How you do it? Mix sandalwood powder with just enough rose water to make a paste. Apply on spots, leave for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Use this remedy 1 to 2 times per week. Over time, you may see that spots look less stark and the skin appears smoother. Number 9, vitamin E oil. Repair and support. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps repair skin and may improve the appearance of pigmentation. How you do it? Pierce a vitamin E capsule and apply the oil on dark spots. Massage gently for a minute. Use 3 to 4 times a week, ideally at night. Combine with aloe vera gel if your skin is oily. Be careful, too much oil can clog pores if your skin is acne prone. Number 10, sunscreen. The non-negotiable shield. Here's the turning point. No matter how many natural treatments you use, they'll fight a losing battle unless you block new damage. How you do it? Choose a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Apply generously every morning and reapply every 2 hours if you're outdoors. Wear hats, sunglasses, and avoid harsh sun from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Why it matters? Ultraviolet rays make existing dark spots worse and create new ones. This is your frontline defense. Don't skip it. Each remedy felt like a mini challenge. Lemon would sting, turmeric stained towels, and vinegar could burn if too strong. But every time Aisha gave up, she'd remind herself these spots represented more than pigment. They represented insecurity, past mistakes, and years of hiding under scarves and makeup. So she committed. She mixed, she patched, she sun protected. Slowly but surely, the contrast faded. The spots didn't vanish overnight, but she saw steady progress and she gained back more than clear skin. She regained confidence. Now imagine looking in the mirror 3 months from now, those dark patches softer, skin calmer, and tone more even. Which of these 10 remedies will you start with? Lemon and honey, aloe at night, or daily sunscreen? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy, natural skin tips. Let's keep glowing naturally and wisely.